If you're wondering how to access travel reports in Navan, you're in the right place. In this quick, no-fluff guide, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to retrieve those crucial reports for your business or team. By the end, you'll be able to make the most out of Navan's travel management features with ease. Stick around because we've got a special bonus for you at the end of the video that you won't want to miss. First, let's jump straight into accessing your travel reports. When you're logged into your Navan account, you'll be looking for the Reports tab. It's located right in the main navigation menu, so it's easy to find. Click on that, and you'll see various types of reports you can pull based on your needs, whether it's expenses, booking history, or overall travel activity. Once you're in, you can filter your reports by different criteria like date range, traveler name, and even specific travel types such as flights or hotels. This is especially helpful if you need detailed insights into travel spending or trends over a specific period. Plus, you can download these reports as CSV or PDF files, making it easy to share them with your team or download them for your own records. Navan's reports are fully customizable, so if you need a quick overview of travel expenses, for example, you can adjust the filters to show just what's most relevant to you. For team managers or finance departments, this is a game changer as it makes pulling detailed, tailored reports a breeze. But here's a pro tip. You can also automate your report generation. If you need these travel reports on a regular basis, like weekly or monthly, you can set up automated reports that get sent directly to your inbox. This saves a lot of time and ensures you're never behind on important travel insights. Now here's something that'll set you up for success. Navan also integrates with your accounting or finance software, allowing for seamless syncing of travel data. This means you won't have to manually input anything. Just a few clicks, and you've got your travel reports ready for review and action. If you're new to Navan, it's important to know that all these features are built with a user-friendly interface in mind. You don't have to be a tech expert to figure it out. Everything is intuitive, and their customer support is there to help if you need it. To wrap up, remember that Navan not only offers robust travel reporting tools, but also provides tons of other features for business travel management. So if you want to save time, reduce costs, and stay on top of travel expenses, Navan is the software to consider. And before you go, don't forget, click the first link in the description below to access Navan completely free, with an exclusive bonus that'll let you test out all these features without any commitments. This extended free trial will give you a true feel for how Navan can streamline your business travel, so be sure to take advantage of it. Thanks for watching.